How to fix Facebook on Android. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings, and when you open settings you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will now go to Facebook. You will search for it and open it, and go now to storage and go to clear data, then click OK, and that's it, your problem will fix it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.